Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find your most valuable fruit and grow a garden. If you go to the safari shop, you can actually purchase an explorer's compass, an essential tool for every explorer points towards the most valuable fruit. So I'm just going to get this compass out, and I'm just going to kind of go to my garden and use it, and it's going to point me towards my most valuable fruit. So it's right here. It is true. It's a giant pine cone. It's sitting at 200 billion. And yeah, that's just pretty much how you can use it basically. It has no other point than that, but yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!